Hi everyone, I'm Michael Williams and my cameraman Zachary Pennington is on vacation. Today is July 4th and this is part 2 of the experiment cultures in the course Bioengineering 101 week 2. Okay, so as it turns out the experiment was a failure, and this is due in a large part to the type of agar medium that I used. It was, well, here I'll show you. As you can see, it was the LB ampicillin agar media. Now, as it turns out, ampicillin is an antibiotic and it kills germs, or bacteria in this case. So if you're wanting to culture bacteria, that's not the best medium to do it in. So let's take a look at the results and see what happened. Okay. That looks kind of clear. You'll see Zach is the experimental side, and Mike, that's obviously me, is the control side. This was done on June the 26th, and that makes 8 days since this was started. So let's see what it looks like. As you can see, there's even more. There's a large amount of mold has formed, and since ampicillin, I believe those are my dogs howling at the sirens going by, and I hope you can't hear it. But since ampicillin, I believe, is derived from penicillin, which is derived from fungus or mold, I believe, I don't think, well, anyway, it's not going to inhibit the growth of mold. What's interesting to me is that the mold seems to have formed on Zach's side much more than, and maybe cross-contaminated to my side. And you'll also know where I cut out some pieces of the agar media. That was because like day 3, I got the mold that's white on the outside and gray in the middle. By the time day 3 had come, it was already the size that you see cut out at the top left, and on the left side in the middle you'll see a notch cut out where it had cross-contaminated from there. So it's very important that you use the correct media. The large black spot, I can't really get a clear picture of what it looks like with this thing. Resolution kind of sucks. The large black spot actually appears to go into the media. That's obviously a different type of mold than the black spot here, which I'm not touching anything, but I'm not trying to, avoid contamination since the experiment's already a failure. This is actually sitting above. I don't know if you can see. It's a different kind of mold, and it sits above the media, whereas this black spot over here sits apparently inside the media. So, conclusion, this experiment was failure because of improper setup, and I'll have to do it again. Thank you for your time.